friends, today's video is all about how to enable login protection in Imo. So first, please check if your Imo app is updated. My phone's Imo app is already updated, so I'm good to go. Now first, open Imo. Just open the Imo app. After you've opened the Imo application, please proceed to click on the profile icon. After you have entered the profile icon, you should then proceed to enter settings and privacy. Once you have successfully entered into this section, you will clearly see login protection written here. Within the login protection settings, please make sure to activate the two-factor or even a stronger protection option. To enable more protection, it says here, if enabled, you won't be able to log into your account with applications or services that do not support two-step verification. So I have already turned this on. For all of you who have watched this video up to this point and found it beneficial, please do make sure to subscribe to the channel. To be the first to get all my future videos, please don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you.